Don't you remember I told you that Kid Boo got reincarnated? Well, this is the result. This is what he now looks like. After his reincarnation, Kid Boo now goes by the name Oob. Became the latest friend to the Z Fighters, and became a student for Goku. Another thing about this guy, he has his own special transformation known as Kaioken Transcended. Yeah, he took Kaioken to a new level. I know he's got no Majin sense in him whatsoever. However, he's finally gonna let this thing go and consider being a good guy. Anyway, speaking of Kid Boo, this is what he looks like fused with Majin Buu. Since the two are now whole again, he now goes by Majuub, which is a really weird way of saying it. But anyway, the point is, I got it done. That's how you draw Majuub. Majin Buu and Oob fused together. Anyhow, stay on the lookout for more Dragon Ball fighters like this. I'm always here, and I will not stop until they're all complete. Good night.